Praise music.
Subscribe. Why? Rawpa, Crawpa. You are the real Godfather. The struggle real, but we have to go and hold the order.
What's up, my beautiful people? How you all doing? You know, man's head doing fine like whoa. Hey, whoa. This tune is for the ladies, them like. Hey, whoa. Man's gonna kick it like this, though, blood. Whoa. What me say? Kiddo up on the one, people. Yeah. I see him, sir.
Represent like she asked me. Nothing else she couldn't ask me. Me give it just the same how she asked me.
You ready, my son?
Me never shot on me. Said she want to fall like up a Albany. We put you way up, touch up the heart mommy. She used to love before, now she falling it. CM Saiga. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So she want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So she want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So she want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So represent like she asked me. Nothing else she couldn't ask me. Me give you just the same how she ordered. Same so me never shot on me. See the hood she get and in my agony. Me give the
Yo, people now hear what go on. I don't know normal hood she get now. I'm a agony. What me say? I'm a agony hood she get now. Yo, if you die Jamaica and them people who you know you want them to build better than them something there, then go for mahogany hood because of the best hood. Yo, I'm a yo. Let it go.
Tough, me never carve on. She get the good before, but not the half of me. CM Saiga. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So she want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So she want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So she want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So represent like she asked me. Nothing else she couldn't ask me. Me give it just the same how she ordered. Same so me never shot on it. Said she want it hard, me no fi caution it. Serious, me no go laugh on it. Now she a bar me name under the agony. Same Saiga. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So she want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So she want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So she want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So represent like she asked me. Nothing else she couldn't ask me. Me give it just the same how she ordered. Same so me never shot on it. Said she want to fall like up a Albany. Me put you way up, touch up the heart mommy. She used to love before, now she falling it. Same Saiga. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So she want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So she want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So she want it just the same. She want it just the same. She want it just the same. So
Me not lie, me yo. Me like little dress up the one they have and I like how she shake up the ass. Me like it, but what me don't like on it, me don't like how the rest of the girl ma rub down her ass. Don't like the something there. No. They have to wine pan the artist, what do I wine pan that the one there with the sexy ass? Me crocodile tail. But yes, people, me like the instrumental. What an instrumental full of energy. And the tune catch as well. She wanted just the same. She wanted just the same. She wanted just the same. So she wanted just the. Yo, who do she get a mahogany? You think I go and go boy? Yeah? What easy for rotten? Mahogany. Yes, people. You need to go and check out the official video, the clean video. The artist named Kiddo. I like the one. As me I say, only part me kind of I say. I don't like how girl my wine for the next girl. I like how she have and still call up me. Yo, me forward back the video. And pause the right one so I can see. Nice slim and still, but you can see she firm up in her body one time she'll jiggle it up. Yeah. The people, make sure you go and check out the artist, Kiddo, YouTube, and also check out all his available social media pages them. And tell me what you guys think about the song. Let me know if you like it. But one thing I can say. The artist angle the rhythm real and proper on a serious note. The instrumental, full of energy and full of vibes. You know, see, up here is a crocus bag of things me there go and that P move, me a move. So you know, say it's not a instrumental like you can't dead pan the instrumental. You have all the vibes, you have your move pan it. You see me as anything just level and the song a flow. She want it just the same, she want it just the same, she want it just the same, so yo! Let me know what you guys think of it and don't forget to share and also make sure you click that like button. What this like I go? You don't know. Share! The struggle is real. Crawpa represent for Jam Style. Just go and check out www.jamstyle.com.